So now that you know that your time frame, you know what you're looking for in terms of specifics, what you are technically analyzing. It may not be anything specific at all. And now that you have actually finished all of your analysis and pulled those numbers and data from maybe the quarters or even the months for this data, the next question and the next step is why. The question why. Why is the month of August better than the month of September? Why is the third quarter always the best, but this year not so much? So in looking at the data and analyzing and pulling these numbers together, theoretically you should have pulled this data into your Excel spreadsheet, pull this expenses into your Excel spreadsheet, or you could have been given this information and you're just extrapolating the data from it and then analyzing. The question is why. Now, if you cannot figure out the why, you know that there's something definitely wrong between 2014 and 2015. It's obvious in 2016. Maybe you can go into your actual data, or you can put it in your pivot table, but let me show you quickly how you can go through and see what information you're missing. It may be that something happened specifically in the month of, let's go back, in the year of 2015. So let's take a look. And we're going to go here, and we're going to go to our order date, and we're going to filter. And we're going to look at 2015. Let's take a look. Our 2015, what sticks out to us? Look at all of these low numbers. This is what sticks out to me in the raw data. Look at this right here. $4 million. January 1st. January 10th, 2015, what happened? Oh my gosh, we sold furniture. Apparently 4,000 pieces, folks. $4 million. I'm going to guarantee you that this 6 million, we just sold 4 million of this 5 is furniture on one day in the month of January. Not for the whole month of January, or 2 months out of the quarter in January, for the whole month. Just this one day. Let's see if we see anything. Actually, let's use our filter, and let's scroll down. It's pulling all of the data from here. Our highest number is that $4 million, guys, from the 10th. So look at this. $269,000. $269,000. Man, I wonder where that was. So why don't we go here and go down here, and let's select this number and see what we're looking at. Wow, one day again in the month of January on the 4th, $269,000. Apparently we sold 1,400 of, guess what, furniture. Oh my goodness, what happened? Here is where the rubber meets the road, folks. This is where you don't know, because maybe you weren't there in 2015, or you have been given this data, you're an outside analyst, whatever the case may be. You don't really know what happened in 2015, but you're going to find out. You want to know why that $269,108 was sold in that one day. Why are these numbers so different, right, than the other numbers? Why in the world are we looking at this huge increase and uptick in sales on just those 2 particular days in January? Oh my gosh, what a mystery. We'll be right back to wrap up. Thanks, guys.